Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 4 Fillwood Court here in Gracemere. Set on over 700 square metres, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is only 9 years old and it's immaculate. We've got great side access down here, so if you want to take a quick tour, come with us, let us show you around. Got a great layout, this home. The alfresco area is connected nice and closely to this large kitchen, and this open plan lounge room and dining area certainly has a lot of space and it's extremely light filled. Well, there you have it, 4 Fillwood Court here in Gracemere. A huge backyard, nice outdoor entertaining space, and a home that's immaculate. If the team at McGrath can help you own this one, give us a call. We would love to help you out.